Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to look back in time and see every single change ever made to a project in GitHub. We're diving into GitHub commit history. Whether you're tracking a bug or just curious how a pro level app was built, the commit log is where the real story lives. Let's master the art of navigating a project's timeline. First, we're just going to jump over to github.com, and this is the heart of the global collaboration. You're just going to hit that sign in button in the top right usually, and then you're going to enter your credentials. And remember, passwords in 2026 are still case sensitive, so no typos. And once you're in, you will land on your global dashboard. Think of this as your mission control for every project that you're following. Now, from your dashboard, you're going to pick the project that you want to investigate. So in GitHub terms, we call these repositories. So I'm just going to type in GitHub DeepSeek right here. If a repository is a digital book, the files are the chapters and the comments are the individual edits. So you're just going to make sure that you're going to click on your repo and open its main page. So this is the main page of a repo. In the 2026 interface, things are a bit more streamlined. You're going to look right above the list of files or the far right sidebar. You're looking for a button labeled comments or activity, which you can see right here. So as you can see, it has 73 commits. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this, which will open the project timeline. And now you're looking at the chronological history of the project. Each entry gives you three vital pieces of information. First is a commit message, a short summary of what was fixed or added. And then you also have the author who actually did the work, and then the timestamp, exactly when the change happened. If a project feels broken today, you can scroll down this list to find exactly where it was working perfectly yesterday. Now, you can also see the actual code that changed. You can click on any commit message. So we're just going to do that. We're going to click on this one right here. And then GitHub will show you a diff view. It highlights exactly which lines were deleted in red, right? You can see right here. And also what was added in green. It's like having a track changes feature for the entire internet. So here's a pro tip for you, is that the power of filtering. If the project has thousands of comments, don't scroll forever. You can use the filter drop down. So we're just going to head back, and then we're going to use the filter drop down at the top of the history page. You can filter by user right here, and this one allows you to see only one person's work, or by branch to see if features that haven't hit the main version yet, or like the experimental features. Now, your new superpower, and that's it. You've just learned how to use GitHub as a time machine. Being able to trace a project's evolution is a massive skill. It turns you a passive user into a tech detective. Go ahead, open up your favorite open source project and see how it started. If this helped you out, hit that like button and stay tuned for more AI and tech deep dives. Happy hunting, and I'll see you in the next one.